Hello everyone. Continuing the grinding machine, now we are going to study the surface grinders. These grinding machines are used to perform surface grinding operation, which we have already studied during the grinding operations. Or we can say the surface grinders are used to produce plane or flat surfaces. However, these grinding machines can also finish the irregular, curved, convex and concave surfaces. By adjusting the wheel head and using different grinders and using different grinding wheels, we can finish these type of irregular shapes. The surface grinding operation on surface grinders can be performed either by periphery of grinding wheel or by flat face of wheel. While studying the milling, we have studied that there are two types of milling. First one is peripheral milling and second one is face milling. In peripheral milling, the tooth situated on periphery of milling cutter are used to machine the surface, while in face milling, the tooth situated on side face of milling cutter is used to machine the surfaces. In the same way, in surface grinding, the periphery of grinding wheel can be used or the side face of wheel can be used. So we can say these machines are similar to milling machines, and these machines have variation of horizontal or vertically positioned spindle. The spindle of surface grinders can be horizontal or vertical. होरिजेंटल सरफेस ग्राइंडर्स में ग्राइंडिंग व्हील की पेरिफेरी से ग्राइंडिंग की जाती है और वर्टिकल सरफेस ग्राइंडर्स में व्हील के साइड फेस से ग्राइंडिंग की जाती है। वर्टिकल ग्राइंडिंग मशीन में कप टाइप, सिलेंड्रिकल और सेगमेंटेड व्हील्स काम में दिए जाते हैं। यहाँ पर एरिया ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट इज लार्ज, while in horizontal grinding machines the area of contact is lesser. Also, the vertically positioned spindle grinding machines are of bigger capacities. Along with variation of horizontal or vertical spindle, these machines may be having two different type of arrangements. First one is planar type with a reciprocating table. Second one is with having rotating work table. As there is a reciprocating table, so it is somehow similar to planar machines. So we can say this is of planar type. Depending on variation of spindle position and type of motion of work table, these surface grinders can be classified in four groups. First one is horizontal type with reciprocating table. Second one horizontal type with rotating table. Third is vertical type with reciprocating table. Last one is vertical type with rotating table. Let's see different surface grinding machines. This diagram shows the horizontal type with reciprocating table grinding machine. Here the spindle of grinding wheel is horizontal while the table reciprocates to give motion to work. Here the work is rotated and also given cross feet. The grinding wheel is also given in feet for depth of cut, while work reciprocates to give work speed. Second type of grinding machine is this one, the horizontal spindle and rotating work table type grinding machine. Here the grinding wheel is situated on the horizontal axis or horizontal spindle and it is rotated and also given cross feet. Along with these two motions, it is also given in feet or depth of cut. The work is rotated on a rotary table. The third variation of surface grinding is this type, vertical spindle with reciprocating type worker table. Here the grinding wheel is mounted on vertical spindle and it is rotated. Along with rotation, it is given in feed into workpiece, and the workpiece is reciprocated on the reciprocating table. Last one type of surface grinding is vertical type with rotary work table. Here the grinding wheel is mounted on vertical spindle, and this grinding wheel is given rotary motion. Along with this rotary motion, it is given in feed also. And the work being mounted on rotary table, it is given rotary motion. These different type of machines are used to finish the different workpieces. While grinding the workpiece on these machines, we also get different type of patterns on the workpiece surface. In this type of machine, we get intersecting arcs pattern, while in this we get crisscross pattern on the work. The construction of surface grinder can be understood by taking an example of horizontal type with reciprocating table. As we have studied that these machines are similar to milling machine, we have also studied the column knee type milling machine. And this horizontal surface grinder with reciprocating table is looking like the column and knee type milling machine. Here this is bed which is made of casting. On one side of this bed there is a column which houses the driving mechanism for the wheel. This also houses the control mechanisms. On the top of this column there is a wheel head which houses grinding wheel. This is grinding wheel, and there is a housing for safeguard, that is wheel guard. Axis of the spindle on which grinding wheel is mounted is horizontal. That's why it is horizontal surface grinder. On the bed there is a saddle. On the saddle there is a work table. This work table is having T-slots through which the workpiece can be clamped. By using saddle, the workpiece can be given cross feed, while by using this work table, the workpiece can be given work speed. The wheel head is also having certain height adjustment arrangement, so the height of grinding wheel from the table can be adjusted to accommodate different type of work piece. By this height adjustment arrangement, the grinding wheel is also given in feed into workpiece. So we can summarize the components of a surface grinder as base, table, saddle, work table, column, wheel head and grinding